a ray of hope for Alzheimer's patients. Alzheimer's disease has long been a devastating diagnosis, impacting millions of individuals and their families worldwide. For years, researchers have worked tirelessly to develop treatments that slow its progression, and now their efforts are finally paying off. A revolutionary new drug, named NeuroClear, is offering hope like never before. This breakthrough treatment promises to slow cognitive decline and improve memory retention in early-stage Alzheimer's patients by up to 40%. In this video, we'll explore how this drug works, its impact on patients, and what it means for the future of Alzheimer's care. How NeuroClear works, the science behind the breakthrough. NeuroClear is based on cutting-edge research targeting the underlying causes of Alzheimer's disease. Unlike previous treatments, which focused on managing symptoms, this drug works to reduce the buildup of amyloid plaques, the proteins that damage brain cells. By preventing further brain cell deterioration, NeuroClear not only slows memory loss, but also enhances cognitive function. Early clinical trials have shown remarkable results, sparking optimism among researchers, healthcare professionals, and families alike. This innovation marks a significant shift from treating symptoms to addressing the root of the disease, the impact on patients and families. The effects of Alzheimer's extend far beyond the individual diagnosed. Families often face emotional and financial burdens as they care for loved ones battling this disease. NeuroClear has the potential to ease this strain by giving patients more time to maintain independence and quality of life. For caregivers, it means less stress and more meaningful moments with their loved ones. Patients in the trials reported feeling more confident in their daily activities, and doctors noted improvements in their ability to recall names, events, and tasks. This drug represents a monumental step forward in improving the lives of millions. Challenges and what's next for Alzheimer's research. While NeuroClear is a groundbreaking achievement, it isn't without challenges. The drug is currently in the early stages of approval, and its widespread availability could take time. Additionally, questions remain about its long-term effects and affordability for patients. Researchers are optimistic, but stress the importance of continued funding and collaboration to refine the treatment further. Despite these hurdles, the success of NeuroClear has reignited hope in the Alzheimer's research community, paving the way for even more innovative solutions in the future. The future of Alzheimer's treatment, a new era of hope. The release of NeuroClear could mark the beginning of a new era in Alzheimer's treatment. With advancements in biotechnology and ongoing research, we may soon see a world where Alzheimer's is no longer a life-altering diagnosis. This breakthrough serves as a reminder of the power of science and innovation to transform lives. At Zero Fat TV, Think Different, we believe in spotlighting stories like this that inspire hope and challenge us to think differently about the future of healthcare. NeuroClear, the new Alzheimer's drug, is offering a groundbreaking solution to slow memory loss and improve cognitive function. By targeting the root cause of the disease, it provides renewed hope for patients and their families. While challenges remain in terms of approval and accessibility, the success of this treatment represents a monumental leap forward in Alzheimer's care. At Zero Fat TV Think Different, we celebrate these advancements as we continue to explore stories of innovation and resilience. Let us know your thoughts on this incredible breakthrough in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more inspiring stories.
Thanks for watching.
Zero Fat TV. Think different. Explore the unknown. Peace. Until next time.